Greetings, I'm Ms. Kingsley, and this is the second of 3 videos on multi-step measurement problems. So let's go ahead and look at problem number 2. And I know you haven't seen these before, so the idea is for you to take a little time to read it. So you can pause the video, read it, and do your best to see what you can figure out on your own before I do it with you or for you. Okay, so I'm going to move on ahead, assuming you've had a chance to pause it. And here's our problem. A jar contains 26 fluid ounces of fruit juice. How many cups of fruit juice do 4 jars contain? So we're talking about 26 fluid ounces of fruit juice. And this is an important part here, 4 jars. And it's asking us about cups. So we have to give our answer in cups, even though our information is given in fluid ounces. So the first thing I like to do is think about that relationship that we're going to need to use in converting from fluid ounces to cups or cups to fluid ounces, depending which way we're going. So as you might remember from prior videos, I always like to start with the 1 on the left side. So we're going to have 1 cup is equal to, do you remember, 8 fluid ounces. Okay, so that's our relationship. Now we have to end up with cups, which means we're going to be going this way, which means that we are needing to divide. All right, but before we can divide, we need to figure out what's going on with this problem. Okay, so I always like my students to draw a word problem if they can. So I'm going to go ahead and do some drawing here. You don't have to be a great artist, as you'll see, but they're telling me there's 26 fluid ounces of fruit juice in 1 jar, a jar, but I have 4 jars. So I'm going to draw my 4 jars. Just quickly, see, nothing special, just something to make me know that this is 4 jars. And in each jar is my 26 fluid ounces. So this is what I mean by a drawing. Helps me remember what's going on so that I don't just divide 8 into 26 and think I'm done. I wouldn't be. I have 4 jars of 26 fluid ounces. Now the next question is, when do I convert? Should I convert my 26 into cups, my 26 fluid ounces into cups, and then fill that number in here and add it, or would I add first? And how I decide that is I take a look at that number. 26, can I evenly divide 8 into 26? No, I can't. So that makes me think I'm going to add first, or maybe multiply. So this problem can be, the first part of this problem can be solved 2 ways. I could add 26 4 times, or that's the same as 4 times 26. I think I'll pick that one. So 4 times 26 I'll do over here. And I have 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2. So I have 104. So this equals, if I'm adding these together, 104 fluid ounces. So I know how much my total amount of fruit juice is, but I still need to give my answer in cups. So now comes the conversion. So we decided we were needing to divide. So this is fluid ounces, and we're going to take our 104 fluid ounces and divide it by our 8 fluid ounces in each cup. And we're going to get numbers of cups. So let's go over here and do our division. I'll do a longhand the traditional way. 8 goes into 10 1 time. Bring down the 2, bring down the 4. And we have 8 goes into 24 3 times. So my answer, this one did divide evenly, so my hunch was correct. And I'm going to have 13. 13 what? What were we trying to get to? Yes, cups. So my answer is 13 cups. And my problem is now done. So that's the end of this problem, and I'll come back and do problem 3 with you on the next video. Hope this was helpful. Bye-bye.